everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me across all social media channels. Now in this video, I'm going to be discussing a shot from the film Rango. Now this is the very first shot of the film. As soon as the title is disclosed, and after that, this is the first shot which starts for the movie, and it's mostly a close-up wherein the face is only visible. And how this shot is done, we are going to decode this so that you will get some insights for your animation, like how you should be doing, how you should be approaching your animation. So make sure that you are actually watching this complete video and not skipping any part of it, because you might miss out on some points which I am sharing. So starting, let's watch the clip first, and later on we will go frame by frame. Now this is the clip. Nose movement like this, like compressing and releasing. So if you see here, the nose, the hole which is there in the nose, it will expand and contract at the same time. Now here, movement in the mouth. He's saying, hmm. So if I have to animate that part, actually there is no movement. But if I don't move it, then it won't be actually so live. It won't be so believable that where is the sound coming from. So to have that, if you see the jaw is being animated like that. And if you also see, there is an influence on the upper lip. So when the jaw is touching the upper lip, the lower lip is touching the upper lip, it's going, both the things are going together up. See, now the lower and upper lip both are going up. Now this is here where you show the extra influence. Now when I'm hitting my hand on this, if both the things move for a frame or two here, that shows more impact rather than just hitting and coming back. So that is the same thing which has been used here, as it's a close-up shot. Now again, if you see, there is an eyebrow movement. Now again, he is. So this is the actual action, and the lead is been taken from the eyebrows as well as the mouth. Now if you see here, the jawline, the lip sync which is getting started. Now here you will not see the complete jaw coming down. It's from the side and then it comes up here. If I play this, see, the mouth is opening like a zip from here to here. It's not directly opening. So he is saying smile. So to add that kind of an arc, and also the influence, see, it's going from here, this end to this end. And now little more influence on the upper lip and the lower lip. And then again, while closing, it's again closing like a zip, right from here and here till this point. And then again here, when we gulp something, there is a movement here. See, like this. This is the action that has been shown. Smile. That is the sound. as soon as the jaw comes in and goes up, again, whenever I say that when you do the lip sync, whenever the lower thing, the lower lip touches the upper lip, make sure you also take it a frame or two ahead, up, like both the lips, so that you have that cushion when you are actually doing your lip sync. So this will help you out a lot in getting a very smooth lip sync. Now here, the moment here as we gulp, that is the actual action happening here. Now when this mouth came in, it started from here, and then the lips in the third frame opened up. Smooth. Again, it opened up this way and then the right side. And as we tighten it up, the eyes like this. Now that's the exact same thing. If you see the influence on eyes, and then now we will be speaking smell. Again. Now if you see, here is an overlapping action. Here you will see the follow through getting added on the face. If you see, if you consciously see the eyes and the eyebrows, if I move this, see the animation happening. See. Now again, it's not something done directly. If you are animating some particular character which is new, if it's not a human or any other character, but it should behave like a human, you need to actually understand what that character is. Now suppose this is a chameleon. Now the way chameleon behaves in terms of the movement, the muscle movements, those things you need to first learn. You need to first understand, observe the things and do a study. And that is going to actually help you in your animation. It's not something that is directly done. You can directly see a shot, take a reference and start doing in your animation. That is not how it works. There is a long study done. Now again here. When we do the animation, generally when beginners do the animation, we directly close the lips. But if you see here, in 3 frames, he closed the lips. First here, this and this. So it was divided into 3 frames. And then again squash. Squash. And then see squash. From the mouth also it's squashing. So when I'm touching my lips, for squashing it out, I'll be doing this, and then my mouth and these two also will be going up. Like this. Now here, see the follow through. As soon as the mouth opened, the eyes kept following the overall main action. Smooth. And now the hands. Coming. Crunchy. Lips. Now, even if the sound is not there, I am actually able to understand what is the lip sync. Now, this has to be the same in our case when we are animating the shot. The shapes of those particular sounds should be very accurate. Creamy, tree, ka, handy, cup, again, cup, both the lips going up as a cushion. Cake, this. Now, see the overlapping and the follow through. Now, when this is done, the complete head nod is done. When we do the head nod, if you actually see it in slow motion, you will have these cheeks going in delay as a follow, because cheeks cannot settle directly when your head is settling. For few frames, it will actually keep on moving even in the real life. But we are not able to see it because of the frames. If you actually record it in slow motion, you will be actually able to understand how these cheeks are moving when we are doing this head nods. Now exactly if you see here, see, the eyes are following. When he is completing this action, when he is about to move in the reverse direction, at that frame, the eye is actually coming on the reverse direction. If you see here, see, and as soon as he stops, then there is a settle, follow through and settle. We need to settle. So the muscles which are there on the face, the upper part here, eyebrows and this forehead, they are getting settled. Can you see this? See, this is the settle happening. And now, as he is looking this side, so there is an eye blink in between that. And now, he is actually looking on the other side. Again, this. Again, eye leading. First, the eyes turned up on this side. Then the head started moving. And then, as an antique, this, the in-between, which we do generally. Again, can you see the eye blink in the in-between? Now here is the eye blink in the in-between. And again now, eyes open and the lip sync which he was having. Let's take it from the top. Top, top. Let's take it from the top. So eyebrows plus the lips. This. So this is the detailed structure of how the actual animation is happening. So nothing is actually random. If you think that everything is happening, they might have done this. So yes, there is a process, but you also need to understand that what are you animating and why are you animating? Why do you need to move that particular thing in a particular way? You also need to study the muscle movement. You also need to study the accents, wherever the sounds are hitting. So on the basis of sound, if the sound is loud, your expressions or your action will be loud. And the sound is low, at that time you can have a subtle action. And same goes for lip sync. Now, when you actually speak English, fast English, as in you can say the US English, at that time, a lot of letters, what beginners try to do is they try to animate each and every letter and they try to create the shape of every letter. But that is not how it works. You should be knowing what are the main keys, where is the sound actually hitting, and you only make those poses where the influence of jaw is there, and the things which you cannot skip, only those. If you put a mirror and understand your observation, your own lip sync, then you will understand that how it works. So that's all for this video. I hope that you learned something new and you will be implementing something from this into your own animation. If you are looking forward for more such videos, follow me, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.